0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 18. Discussion in the hospital.
Sadia is a student. She studies at Jamia Millia Islamia. One day she was crossing the road and unfortunately, she had met an accident. The discussion about her accident was as follows.
Amir, have you heard that Sadia has met a car accident?
What are you saying? Did it really happen?
Yes.
When did the accident take place?
Nearly at 2 p.m. when she was crossing the road for gate. Note 8.
Oh, Allah. Please save her. Tell me, where is she at this time?
Currently, she is in the hospital.
In which hospital?
In the Holy Family Hospital.
Is she much injured?
Yes, she got severe injuries in her legs and head.
Was the accident this much serious?
Yes, unfortunately, it was a very serious accident.
Will you go to the hospital to see her?
Yes, we are planning to go to the hospital to meet her with her brother.
Okay then. Please call me when you go. I will also go with you.
Do not be late now. Let's go to the hospital immediately.
Okay, let's go.
They reach the hospital and talk with the nurse as follows.
Can you please give us information about Miss Sadia, who has been admitted to the hospital in the afternoon today?
You mean the student of Jamia Millia Islamia who has gotten injured in the accident?
Yes, she is. Is she still in the operation theater?
Yes, she has been taken to the operation theater, and she is still in the operation theater.
Had she been to go under operation or only medicine and bandage were enough?
No, she had to go under operation as the injuries were severe.
Oh, Allah save her.
Ameen. Okay, tell us, can we meet her right now?
I do not think so.
Can you please ask the doctor?
Okay, I see.
The nurse goes to the doctor. The discussion goes as follows.
Doctor, how is Sadia?
Sadia is out of danger now, but her injuries are severe. Her left leg is broken.
Doctor, can they see her as they are much worried about her health?
No, tell them to wait now, because Sadia is in severe need of some rest at this time.
Okay, doctor, no problem. I will inform them about this.
Okay, now I will send her to the women's ward for rest in room No. 36.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, thank you.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.